just gonna play some tunes. We kind of do a variety of songs. I mean, we got the roots in the blues, but you know, a lot of this stuff is, some people call us cowpunk. But we also have some sadder stuff, and we're gonna play one of those and get it out of the way. Well, you're a long, long way from here. I guess you'll keep running scared, 'cause you're a long, long way from here. You shouldn't give in to the fear. There was a time I'd welcome you in the town before the no, the time I'd pull you in. But you're a long, long way from there. Well, you're a long, long way from there. I guess it's your burden to bear, 'cause you're a long, long way from there. This burden I cannot share. There was a time you didn't walk alone, a time before the sin, a time before you were gone. But you're a long, long way from there. Found yourself somewhere. It's okay to be scared. Somehow, some way, somewhere. But you'll find someone who cares. There was a time before you saw, a time of innocence, a time before the wrong. But you're a long, long way